Welcome to your YouTube channel Odisha Railway Study Point. Let's start the previous year official question paper of RRB and TPC. When was the arrangement of municipal corporation in Bombay and Calcutta? Your right answer is 1726. Option D. What is the game of cricket originally from which country? Your right answer is England. Option A. Situated in Nilgiri, Annamalai and Palani Hills, the temperate forest is called. Your right answer is Sola. Option A is your correct answer. Which of the following elements does not remain in solid state at orbital temperature? Your right answer is mercury, Hg. Option A. The chemical formula of glucose is, your right answer is C6H12O6. Option B. Who led the movement against the British government in 1824 in Kittur? Your right answer is Queen Chenama. Option A is your correct answer. A line connecting areas with similar temperature is called. Your right answer is isostarum. Option A is your correct answer. Which of the following is related to pink revolution? Your right answer is shrimp. Shrimp is your correct answer. Option D. How many industries are calculated based on the combined value of the index of industrial product? Your right answer is 8 industries. Option D is your correct answer. During the period of a particular period divided by the total population of the country total national income is known as the value. Your right answer is per capita income. Option A is your correct answer. Which of the following was included in the Kakori Mandir of 1925? Your right answer is Ashfaq Ullah Khan. Option D is your correct answer. What is the atomic number of gold Au in the modern periodic table? Your right answer is 79. Option A is your correct answer. According to the 2011 census, which union territory has the highest population density? Your right answer is Delhi. Option A is your correct answer. During the British rule, under which act was the establishment of a diarchy system in the Indian provinces? Your right answer is Government of India Act 1919. Option A is your correct answer. Which of the following sports is related to Saina Nehwal? Your right answer is badminton. Option D is your correct answer. Which of the following paragraph related to the Indian Constitution is concerned with the related powers of the Supreme Court? Your right answer is Article 140. Option D is your correct answer. What isohoid denotes which field? Your right answer is equal median annual rainfall. Option C is your correct answer. Which of the following action is done before participating in any sports or physical activity? Your right answer is warm up. Option D is your correct answer. Where is the relationship between Palo and Daskathia folk music tradition? Your right answer is Odisha. Option B is your correct answer. Alcoholic beverage contain the main ingredient? Your right answer is ethanol. Option C is your correct answer. Which of the following is not a constitutional institution? Your right answer is National Human Rights Commission. Option D is your correct answer. Which of the following is the source of Tista River? Your right answer is Jammu Glacier. Option B is your correct answer. Who chairs the joint sitting of both the House of the House? Your right answer is Speaker of Lok Sabha. Option B is your correct answer. The work of lipase is, your right answer is disrupting emulsified fat. Option B is your correct answer. Which of the following is an example of a tropical hardwood tree? Your right answer is mahogany. Option D is your correct answer. Which of the following separate the continent from North America? Your right answer is Bering Strait. Option A is your correct answer. Nagarjuni cave is situated in which state? Your right answer is Bihar. Option C is your correct answer. Normal systolic pressure is, your right answer is Hg 120 mm. Option C is your correct answer. Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan was popular with whom? Your right answer is Frontier Gandhi. Option A is your correct answer. The refractive index of the name is called Sandha. Your right answer is 1.54. Option C is your correct answer. According to the Indian Constitution, the maximum number of members of Rajya Sabha has been fixed dash. Your right answer is 250. Option A is your correct answer. Which country is called Indestructible Union of Indestructible States? Your right answer is United States America. Option D is your correct answer. Whose birthday is celebrated as National Sports Day in India? Your right answer is Meditation Chand. Option A is your correct answer. In the team of Kabaddi, how many players are left except the players? Your right answer is 7. Option B is your correct answer. The SI number of electrodynamics is, your right answer is Siemens. Option B is your correct answer. At some place on earth, the geographical meridian and the midage between the magnetic meridian is called the angle dash. Your right answer is who's at the angles. Option B is your correct answer. Which of the following state became the 17th state of the Indian Union? Your right answer is Haryana. Option A is your correct answer. What is the minimum number of required members in the House before editing any work by which work? Your right answer is quantity. Option A is your correct answer. In which of the 5 years of the scheme the agriculture was termed as the main move the Indian economy? Your right answer is 10th plan. Option A is your correct answer. In the 19th century, which of the following leaders organized Pune public gathering? Your right answer is Mahadev Govind Ranade. Option C is your correct answer. The rate of embroidery is Mukesh originally from which state? Your right answer is Uttar Pradesh. Option B is your correct answer. Which year did the Rural Youth Self-Employment Program takes place? Your right answer is 1979. Option D is your correct answer. The famous Birbhadra temple is located in Lepaksi in dash. Your right answer is Andhra Pradesh. Option A is your correct answer. Where is the headquarters of Balco Aluminium Company located? Your right answer is New Delhi. Option D is your correct answer. What does the RF is a volleyball game shown by showing a yellow card? Your right answer is warning. Option C is your correct answer. Major inflation includes the increase in prices of all products and services except food product and dash. Your right answer is energy. Option D is your correct answer. Which of the following proposal can the Council of Ministers resign? Your right answer is dispute resolution passed in Parliament. Option C is your correct answer. Which of the following Minister of National Security engine does the National Investigation Team work? Your right answer is Home Ministry. Option C is your correct answer. This is our last questions of today class. In 1907, where was the annual convention of the Indian National Congress held? Your right answer is appearance. Option D is your correct answer. I hope you like these questions. If you daily hard work, then anything is possible. nothing is impossible. But if you don't hard work, if you lazy, then everything is impossible for you. Let's bye bye. Have a nice day. Jai Bharat. Jai Hind.